So in this video, we're going to discuss how to convert from base anything into base 10. And it's a lot easier than converting from base 10 into base anything. We're going to show that now. So we're going to say, example, convert 5,322 in base 6 to a number in base 10. So the first thing we want to do is we want to write it out into a form like this. Okay. Second thing we want to do is plug in all of our 6's. Third thing we're going to want to do, starting from the right, which is important, 0, 1, 2, 3. And if you can get to that step, you have now finished the problem, because all that is left is just multiplying out the stuff. Which equals 5 times 216 plus 3 times 36 plus 2 times 6 plus 2 times 1, which equals 1880 plus 108 plus 12 plus 2, which equals 1202. Therefore, 5,322 in base 6 will equal 1,202 in base 10.